Yeah, so.
I pulled out everything but my little Krusty. Oh, what the heck?
Oh, that was great! I feel like I'm 10 again. Everything I loved as a kid and hated as a teenager, I love as an adult.
No one knows better than me that it's here today, gone tomorrow. But I'm here today, thanks to you, honey. Oh, sorry.
This one I think is mine.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Give me that one.
That looks better on you.
No, no. It
Yeah.
screams you.
Let's just keep smooching till everything sorts itself out. I'm done.
Sergeant Custody, ILB, Special Consultant Logan.